We cannot tolerate being marginalized further. Our roads are bad, our health, our education, our economic development is not forthcoming. Poverty indexes indicate we're the lowest. How long can we continue under this government? For 30 years, we are still marginalized. We think that it's high time that we break away and create our own country called the Nile Republic. As I speak now, we are gathering signatures to that effect.
Yesterday, the president was addressing the people that came from Amor, and he ordered them that Museveni must start working on the land. And the land that Museveni needs is 40,000 hectares of land. And they need the land free of charge. No negotiation, nothing to be done. And in that place where Museveni needs is where we have oil in Amor district, near the source of the Nile. What the government is doing, I think, is now too much.
It is just a desperation when leaders talk like that. That means the magnitude of the problem is extreme. But you know our history, we are a nation. There's no way we can separate. I would only appeal to the people of Uganda that we collectively put our hands together through a democratic process and throw out President Museveni with his corrupt leaders. We should not fear. What is so special? This government every day is making mistakes which will tomorrow become a cause of war.